What's up everybody, it's your boy Adventure Ashutosh back with the new game with the new video guys. Today I'm in Aurangabad. Today it's Aurangabad. So usually पहले नाम औरंगाबाद था, अभी संभाजी नगर हो गया, छत्रपति संभाजी नगर. So that is the royalty of this place. You can see backside.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy.
You can see Bibi ka Maqbara. It's so ancient and one of the best places in Aurangabad I have seen. Because I've been traveling a lot of places in India, I could not get a time to make a lot of vlogs. But yeah, here I am after a long time with a new video. So most of the people are looking at me why I'm making videos. Yeah, and forget about what is written over here. It is just so. I'll just make a video for till this. If I get a time, I'll definitely go inside and make some shots and I'll put it in camera.
Thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop. Unplug, feeling overwhelmed. I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
Just little bit rain came, so I was carrying my bag along with me. So a lot of stuff. So you can check out this beautiful and amazing place. Look at this cloud over there. This completely perfect. I mean, this is what we miss after lockdown, and this is how we build it. So this is, you can see there are a lot of people had came today. People coming from most of the places like South, people coming from North India, South India, all over. But yeah, I don't know, but I just love historical places, which makes me feel good. It tells about our country's history and the world's history, which is, you can see, glorifying. Look at this. I mean, you can see about these plants. I don't know the name of this exactly, but this is what suits the most to this beautiful Maqbara. I'm just gonna go inside. Here also you can see there are some steps over here where we have to go inside. So there is a place where we can go inside. This is what it is. There is a water coming up. Okay, we'll go from here. So this is what it looks like from there. This is too far. It's not that far, like 500 meters we can say, not more than that I guess. Okay, So let's go inside. We'll see. I hope the camera is good. Oh god, this seems so nice. Look at the view. There's so many people upstairs.
चल जायचं घराकडे पुढे काय
There is a way to come up. You can check out this beautiful place. Damn. Look at this. So one of the first wife who has been, after she died, this is how he built this, and there are a lot of things maybe even this is nice. Look at this something, this building. So here are some basic details which you gonna know about it. The beautiful Muslim is constructed in the memory of Aurangzeb's wife Dilraz Banu Ailash Rabia ul Durrani between 1651 to 1661. See, so you can see that a lot of information. I'll just drop it into the. Yeah, let me take some pictures where I can drop it down. So they told to us to remove sleepers here and to go inside. Look at this view, bro. Check this, beautiful. So I just keep the shoots over here and see how. This is what we can see. There is a one-way goes road inside to that place. You can see these are the. This is how what they had built up. You can see how these marks had been made. It's similar. Even the doors you can see. It's by the metal, I guess. This is something carbon, I guess. I'm not sure about it. Maybe carbon or I don't know. So this is what it looks like from it. Even this place. So here we are. Look at the guys. So this is the thing where we can keep money. We can put money. I don't know, have it money. पैसा डालना पड़ता है क्या? मेरे पास है ना. So guys, I don't have enough money. You can see there are a lot of monies inside. People are keeping, so I'm keeping it because I don't have a change. I have UPI, so I'd rather put it. Oh, it's gone inside there only. You can see there is my coin. See, there is my coin. There you are. Fine. So this is what inside. We'll see the back side as well. Let's go. So guys, this is what we have just done, and this is the back side. You can see over here. It's a beautiful place. So basically I haven't make a lot of videos, but after a long time I'm making this video. So I hope you guys like this video. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.